Pelajaran 45, Minggu ke-45, bulan ke-11. Pada pelajaran ini, Anda akan mempelajari cara menulis surat dengan baik dan benar dalam bahasa Inggris. How to write a letter. Bagaimana cara menulis surat? Kita sudah mempelajari bahasa Inggris, bahasa internasional. Namun, sedemikian jauh belum kita pelajari bagaimana menulis surat dalam bahasa Inggris. Dalam kegiatan sehari-hari, tentu surat menyurat tak kalah pentingnya dalam pergaulan, dunia usaha, dan lain-lain. Oleh karena itu, kita harus mempelajari bagaimana cara menulis surat. Mari kita membuat atau menulis surat-surat pribadi, keluarga, cinta, usaha dagang, dan lain-lain. Ingat, a letter has a very important role in our life or activity. Surat mempunyai peran yang sangat penting dalam hidup atau kegiatan kita. Surat digunakan untuk menyampaikan berita atau sesuatu dengan tulisan. Pelajari the main parts of a letter. 1. Kepala surat, heading. 2. Tanggal, date. 3. Salam pembuka, salutation. 4. Tubuh surat, body of the letter. 5. Salam penutup, complimentary close. 6. Tanda tangan, signature. Surat pribadi, keluarga, sebaiknya terus terang, menarik, mempunyai seni dan berkesan. Surat usaha dagang atau sosial politik harus lebih ringkas, jelas, dan to the point. Ingat, kepada siapa kita menulis surat? Contoh.
To your friend, to your family, to your husband, to your wife, to your children, to your parents, to your father, to your mother, to your other relatives.
Kepala surat, terdapat nama dan alamat si pengirim. Tanggal, terdapat tanda koma antara bulan dan tahun. Contohnya, 2 April 1951. Perhatikan bila kita menggunakan angka first, second, third, fourth, fifth, dan seterusnya. Salam pembuka. Terdapat tanda koma untuk sistem Inggris. Terdapat tanda titik 2 untuk sistem Amerika. Berikut ini contoh salam pembuka.
Dear Sinta, my dear Sinta, dear Mr. Hermon, dear Mrs. Merici, dear Sir, dear Madam, dear Dad, dear Mother, my darling Sinta, my dearest Merici, dear Uncle, dear Nephew, dear Aunt, dear Sister, dear Grandfather.
Salam pembuka untuk surat-surat usaha dagang. Contoh.
Dear Sirs, Gentlemen, dear Madam, dear Miss Dames.
Mari kita teruskan dengan forms of address. 1. Raja. Contohnya, King, Sir, Your Majesty. 2. Ratu. Contohnya, The Queen, Madam, Your Majesty. 3. Presiden, Wakil Presiden, Menteri. Contohnya, President, Vice President, Minister, Sir, Your Excellency. 4. Bangsawan. Contohnya, The Viscount, My Lord, Madam, Your Highness. 5. Majelis, perkumpulan. Contohnya, The Honorable, Sir, Dear Sir. 6. Pendeta. Contohnya, Reverend and Mr, Dear Sir. 7. Wakil wali kota dan pegawai. Contohnya, Alderman, Dear Sir. 8. Kedutaan, diplomat. Contohnya, To His Excellency, Sir. 9. Kardinal. Contohnya, Kardinal, My Lord Cardinal. 10. Konsul. Contohnya, Esquire, American Consulate, Dear Sir. 11. Dekan. Contohnya, Dean, Dear Sir, Dear Madam. 12. Paus. Contohnya, To His Holiness Pope, Your Holiness. 13. Profesor Theologia. Contohnya, The Reverend atau Profesor, Dear Sir. Tanda tangan. Tanda tangani dengan pulpen atau dengan tinta. Tanda tangan harus dengan jelas dan rapi. Salam penutup. Tempat yang tepat dalam salam penutup adalah di bawah isi surat atau di sisi sebelah kanan kertas. Contoh, untuk keluarga,
Your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving Hermon, sister, mother, father, uncle,
dan lain-lain. Untuk surat pribadi,
yours sincerely, sincerely yours.
untuk teman dekat, contohnya, Yours ever. Untuk dagang, Yours faithfully, Yours truly. Untuk pejabat tinggi, Yours respectfully. Untuk surat cinta dan calon relasi, Yours affectionately. Alamat pada amplop. Hal-hal yang perlu ditulis pada amplop adalah nama orang yang dituju, nomor rumah atau kantor, nama jalan, kota, dan negara. Sebelum menulis surat, sebaiknya Anda bertanya sejenak. What is my objective? What do I want to write and to know? What do I want to say? Ingatlah, apakah surat Anda simple, clear, atau to the point? Bila surat terlalu panjang, buatlah di kertas kosong tanpa kepala surat. Bila surat dagang. Bila ada lampiran atau enclosures, tempatkan di sudut kiri bagian bawah dan ditulis enclosed. Salam penutup biasanya dipisah dalam spasi ganda dan tanda tangani dalam 5 spasi dari salam penutup. Kalimat atau ungkapan ini akan membantu Anda dalam menulis surat. Pelajarilah. Mengenai kesehatan. Contohnya,
How are you? Are you in good health? How is your mother now? I hope your family is well. I hope you are well. I am fine. And you? I am quite well. My girlfriend has just come out of hospital. My family are all in the best of health. And so am I. As for me, I am very well. As for me, I am in excellent health. I wish you a speedy recovery. I hope you will be well again soon. I hope you are better soon. I was very pleased to hear that you are well. I shall have to go into hospital for an operation soon. I have to go and see the doctor today. I was delighted to hear you are all well.
Mengenai berita, contohnya,
How are you getting on? How is your job going? I have a very important piece of news to tell you. How are you finding the life in Indonesia? I haven't heard from you for some time. I'll be glad to hear that. I am getting on great here. The people are very kind to me, and I am. Last Friday night I went to see, and I enjoyed it very much. I suppose you read in the papers that Mrs. Ezra died last week.
mengenai penyesalan atau maaf, contohnya,
I am very sorry for all the trouble. We regret our inability to attend. I have been very busy, so pardon my delay in answering your kind letter. Forgive me for not writing earlier, but I am sorry it has taken me so long to write, but I am sorry I cannot accept your invitation. Your last letter duly received. Your letter of the 4th of May duly to hand. I am really ashamed of myself for not having written before this, but I was very busy.
mengenai balasan, contohnya,
Thank you for letting me know that. Your letter made me so happy. I should be very grateful if. Thank you for your letter of 2nd April. Thank you so much for your kind invitation. I have some wonderful news for you. I was glad to hear from you at last and to learn that. I was very pleased to receive your letter. You will never guess who or what. It was very kind of you too. Your letter was indeed a surprise.
mengenai pertanyaan untuk dijawab, contohnya,
What about the photos you promised to me? I shall not send mine before I have yours.
mengenai salam, contohnya,
My wife sends you her kindest regards. Kind regards to your mother. Please give my love to. My best wishes for your success in the examination you are taking.
mengenai akhir surat, contohnya,
I am looking forward to seeing you soon. I hope you will soon settle down in your new job. I wish you good luck in. We are both looking forward to